Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on GBPJPY and dollar yen. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see on the lower time frame, both of these instruments currently showing significant trading opportunity. So let's see how we can trade starting with GBPJPY looking at the monthly time frame. Now from the monthly we can see that GBPJPY is a long-term bullish market. We have seen quite a few months of a strong bullish move followed by these months we have seen so far significant pullback. Now this is at the end of the month we can see that there's a long wick candle is created. That means that GJ is potentially bullish. As we see that there's a long wick candle, we can expect a continuation to the upside for longer term perspective. If we look at the weekly time frame on GBPJPY, we can see that this is the weekly price action and this is a long wick candle. So far the price has broken down, has grabbed liquidity and then closed above this weekly support level. Now, if we draw this level, what we can expect now on GJ, the price to come down again for a pullback and then continuation to the upside, as it is a long-term bullish market and we have seen strong liquidity grab. We can expect another fuel from the buyers to push the price high. If we look at the daily time frame on GBPJPY, we can see that there is a strong manipulation last day of trading which has broken all this support level and then closed above as a bullish candle. As we see that on the daily perspective, the price maintaining the support here. What I think that on the market opening we could see the GJ coming back to this support again on the lower time frame and then pushing to the upside towards its long term uptrending market structure. Now if we look at for the lower time frame from intraday perspective, we see that there is a long wick candle. This is a manipulation candle. This is the support here and also this is the resistance here, and which is aligning with this support here, which is the smart money zone acting here as resistance. And highly likely that on the market opening we could see initial pullback to that level, to this resistance turning support, and from this zone we can expect GBPJPY to continue to rise towards its uptrending direction. So this is where I will be waiting for potential entry opportunity. As soon as we will see that GBPJPY has tested this level, we'll consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now let's look at dollar yen. Let's see what kind of opportunity currently we have. Now looking at the monthly dollar yen, we can see that this is also a long-term bullish market. The previous monthly support is broken and the price we saw that gathered liquidity and closed as a long wick candle. Now with this long wick candle, dollar yen has a strong rejection from the support, and I think that this market may continue to rise to the upside towards its long-term uptrending direction. If we look at the weekly time frame, we see that from the weekly perspective as well, dollar yen showing potentially bullish price action. This is the swing low here on dollar yen, which also has broken here, gathered liquidity and then created this bullish candle from the weekly perspective. Now previous week we saw that there is a long wick candle also created a higher low with this weekly price action and form a long wick candle. I think that this week we might see that dollar yen is going to test this weekly resistance here, and from that zone we can expect a pullback and then ultimately continuation to the upside. If we look at the daily, we can see the same pattern as GBP JPY. I think that we could see in the beginning of trading week initial pullback to this support level and then continuation to the upside towards its long-term direction. So from further lower time frame on GJ, we can see that from intraday perspective, there is a long wick candle here. We could see initial pullback to this support level. As we see, there is a doji. This is the previous support here, and also support here, which can act here as a strong support. And from this support, we can expect a continuation to the upside. So this is where we will be waiting for a potential trading opportunity on dollar yen. As soon as you will find suitable entry, you will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below to support this idea. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.